Hi, in this video we are going to see how to finish the square neckline with straight strip and canvas technique. In last video we have seen U neckline, here we are going to see square neckline. First we will cut the canvas according to the neckline. So place the canvas in folded, take your neck part. The folded part of the neck fabric should be aligned with the folded part of the canvas. Mark the exact marking of the neckline in the canvas. Place some weight or you can pin it before marking. Place the chalk straight and mark it. Now remove the fabric. Now mark 1 inch. So this 1 inch will be standard for all the neck designs. One inch in the bottom also. Cut and take the strip from the canvas. So after cutting the canvas, place the canvas on the leftover fabric and iron it. So here I am going little faster because in last video I have explained all these things very slowly. So if you have any doubts about this, you can just watch the first video, last video in our channel and come to this video. So now you have to place this canvas on the fabric. So the canvas will have iron part on one side and plain part on other side. The iron part should be placed on the wrong side of the fabric and press it like this. Don't rub the iron box, just place it and take the iron box. Iron till the canvas gets stick to the fabric very firmly. When you touch it in the corner of the canvas should not get open, it should get stick very tightly. And leave 1 centimeter all over and cut it. So approximately 1 centimeter. We have to cut very close, very exactly to the shoulder part, and also in the inner part also you have to cut very exactly close to the canvas. So no need of seam allowance in the shoulder part and in the inner neckline. So now the canvas is ready. So after cutting, before going to the stitching, just check by placing the canvas whether it gets aligned with the neckline or not. So it fits perfectly. Next we'll see how to cut the straight strip to finish the square neckline. So straight strip is nothing but in last video we have seen how to cut the bias strip. But here the straight strip is nothing but you have to cut the strip in the straight way. Just like this you have to cut the strip. The width of the strip should be 1/4. You can place the scale and draw the straight line and just like that you can cut it. So the strip is ready. Now we'll see how to stitch the strip and the canvas to the neckline. So first we'll see the canvas. So take the canvas whatever we have done, fold the edges and stitch. The fabric we left 1 centimeter in the corners, right? That we have to fold and stitch first. Give the stitch in the extreme corner. So compared to U neck, square neck is very simple because we are using the straight strip here. Just fold the other side, overlap and continue the stitch. When you come to the corner, drop the needle, turn the footer and continue the stitch. So these small things I have explained in sewing practice. Fold, overlap and continue the stitch. Lock it in the end and finish it. Now after completing the stitch, so very close to the stitch you have to trim off the extra fabric. Now take the main fabric, align the canvas right on right, First you have to pin the corners. So you'll have two corners, you have to pin it in both the corners. So align the other corner and give the pin. Now you can start stitching from the one end. You have to give 1/4 stitch. Lock it in the beginning and start. When you reach the corner, drop the needle, lift the footer and turn. Stitch 1/4 all over the neckline. Drop the needle, lift the footer and turn. So here now you have to give the notch. For square neckline, the notches is very must in both the corners. The notch should be very close to the stitch. Not only in square neckline, if you are going to do any designer neckline, if you have any sharp edge in that neckline, that part should give, you have to give the cut in that part, then only the turning will be very neat. So after that I am giving notches all over the neckline. So this notches will help the strip to turn smoothly. After giving notches, turn the strip to the wrong side. So when you turn the strip, the notch spot should face towards the strip. Give the top stitch. So when you reach the corner, see, you have to give little more stitch to reach the corner. Turn the strip straight and give the stitch like this to reach the exact corner. Then again turn the strip and give the top stitch. So here we are going to reach the other corner. So here I'll explain again in detail. So for example, see, this is the corner. This part is the exact corner. Give the stitch. Stop little before the corner. No need to come very close. Stop little before the corner. See. Now turn the strip to the opposite direction. Turn the fabric to the opposite direction. Move the backside strip to the other direction and continue the stitch. So this part is little tricky. When you practice, you'll get this. Continue the stitch, make a knot and finish it. So your neckline is done. After completing the stitch, turn the canvas to the wrong side and give a neat press. So this is how your neckline will be in the front side. Give a neat press to get a neat finishing. So next we'll see how to finish the square neckline with straight strip. Take the straight strip. So first we have to join the straight strip because we have two strips here. Place it right on right and give a stitch. So it's very simple to join the straight strip. Take the neckline. Place the right side of the neckline. Place the right side of the strip on top of the right side of the main fabric and stitch 1/4. Lock it in the beginning and continue the stitch. Stitch 1/4. When you reach the corner, I'm just marking the corner for the reference. So this is the corner. You have to give a fold near the corner when you are stitching the square neck to get a perfect corner. Fold it in such way the side fabric should get fold and overlap on the other side of the fabric like this. Okay, I'm showing it one more time. Just like that you can turn like this. It's very simple, just try it with the rough fabric, you'll get it. So in the corner place exactly you have to give a fold like this. So I'm using I'm just placing the same paper here. You can use pearl pins and just pin the folding before you stitch also. So like this, see, you can give the pearl pins and make the folding on top of that. So the fabric what you are folding, no, that will not cross the corner also. So we are securing with the pearl pins like this. align and continue the stitch. So you can stitch on purl pin, nothing will happen. Now drop the needle and turn to the other side, stitch 1/4. So when you reach the other corner, the same technique what we followed for this corner should be repeated. So this is the corner. Take one more pin and pin it. So here I am showing the neckline with straight stitch, but instead of U-neck, when you are going for any design, it is better to go with the canvas. Only when you use the canvas, the neckline finishing will be very neat and perfect. And also there is one technique that using the lining fabric you can finish the neckline and turn, but that technique will not give you the perfect finishing. The neckline finishing will be very neat, but when you wear, the neckline will not sit properly. I mean, the neckline will not be that stiff. Only when the neckline, when you are going to give any designer neckline, it should be very stiff, then only the finishing will be neat. So here we are going to give the notches in the corner of square neck. Both the corners you have to give the notches. After giving notches in the corner, give the notches all over the neckline and turn the strip, turn half the strip and give the top stitch. So here when you reach the corner, there will be a small trick. We'll see that. Fold the fabric into half. When you fold the fabric, the notch part should be towards the strip and give the top stitch. So give the top stitch on top of the strip. So here in the wrong side we have given a fold when we stitch the straight strip initially. So that fold should be maintained properly. So what we can do is we can remove the fabric and first we can pin the fold at back side. So this must be done before starting the stitch. Just I'm showing now. The fold should be folded in what way it is done in the beginning and pin it. So just like that you can pin it. See, the fold should be like this in the right side. So other side also pin it in the same way and continue the stitch. So when you come to the corner, drop the needle and turn the footer and continue the stitch. So here I am doing the corner fold to continue the stitch. So if you're not able to fold manually, you can give the pin at back side and continue the stitch. Drop the needle and turn to the other side. Lock it and end it. Now turn to the wrong side and trim off the extra fabrics very close to the stitch. So very close to the stitch you have to stitch the extra fabric. Now after cutting the extra strip, turn the overall strip to the wrong side and give the edge stitch, or you can just iron it and do the hand hemming. Here I am going to give the edge stitch, turn and give the corner stitch. So here in the square neck, when you turn, the corner will be very bulged because of too much foldings. Give the cut in the corner, very close to the stitch. You can give the cut and turn the fabric like this. So when you give the cut, the turning will be very smooth, so it is better to give the cut and turn it. So here also in this edge you can give the cut and turn. Lock it and finish it. Your neckline is completed. So after finishing the neckline, you'll have a look like this. Hope you all like the video. We'll meet you in next interesting video. Thank you all. Bye bye.